Good evening. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, Marathi sir. Can you hear me? Preksha, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, Bachap sir, yes.
Okay. Nilufar ma'am?
Bachap sir. हॅलो बच्चा सर.
Ah, yes, sir.
हा म्हटलं आता कसं उद्या 2 घेऊन टाका, कारण गुरुवार शुक्रवार पासून शाळेची कामं सुरू होत आहेत आमची पण.
हा, 2 मला सर सकाळी शाळेत जावं लागते ना आता.
हा हा हा.
मग दुपारी होतील जर 2 घ्यायची म्हटले तर 4 वाजेला एक आणि त्याच्यानंतर किंवा मग एकच घेऊ.
Sorry.
हो ना. कारण कसं आहे आता मुलं विद्यार्थी
evening,
गोळा
sir.
करणं वगैरे ते 10वीचं या गोष्टी आहेत बरं का.
हो.
2 घेता आलं तर 2 घेऊ.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening, ma'am.
Yes, sir. I have problem actually, net problem.
Okay. Welcome in the 12th session.
12.
Now there is a new topic here in this session, gender equality.
Yes.
And this session is divided into 2 parts. First part consists of social media, and the second part about gender equality. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
today I have tried this kind of slide, India Bangladesh Telecollaboration Project, session number 12.
So nice, sir. So nice. You are a creative man.
Now this is the first part of our 12th session, social media. And we can say we are living in the age of computer science, and not only the computer science, but nowadays computer with internet connection is now the part and parcel of our life. So we can include these things in our basic needs today. So social media, the most powerful thing of today's life is social media. And I have collected some logos of this social media generally we use. Mostly these social medias. First one, Facebook. So what social media apps do you use? So definitely everybody of us use at least 2 or 3 kind of social media. And first one is Facebook. This is the logo of Facebook. Second one, WhatsApp. Everybody we use. Then next, YouTube. And Twitter handle. So many people don't use Twitter, but crores of people in the whole world use Twitter. And the powerful leaders, the powerful people of the world use this social media, Twitter. And we are connected with the help of this Twitter with the thoughts and feelings of Twitter. And all of we know the power of social media, that social media can make government and social media can destroy government. So this is the power of social media nowadays. Then with this, we also use this Telegram, like WhatsApp, Telegram, we have so many Telegram groups, educational Telegram groups, and it is rather safe than WhatsApp, we can say. These are some icons of social media I have collected. So generally, I use these: Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, Twitter, and Telegram. So these 5 apps mostly I use, and particularly Facebook and WhatsApp. Facebook and WhatsApp more. So here are the some words related to social media. Social media: reach, people, network, consumers, networking, industrial. So nice word combination related to social media. What's your favorite social media app, ma'am? Out of these 5,
Yes.
Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, Twitter, Telegram, what's your favorite one?
Facebook, sir.
Facebook. Marathi sir, yours?
Yes.
Yeah, Twitter.
Twitter. Oh,
Yeah.
definitely. Twitter
Yours,
is
sir?
number 1 in the world.
Sorry, your.
So as far as my favorite app is concerned, number 1, I can say WhatsApp. Number 2, Facebook, and number 3, Twitter. But mostly I don't use Twitter, but I like to visit most Twitter handles. For example, I visit CTV's Twitter handle because it is very much informative. Then why and how do you use them? So why do we use these social media? So nowadays, WhatsApp, we can say, is the most powerful app of communication. So every message, as far as our education field is concerned, education department is concerned, we get so many kind of messages through WhatsApp, and it is rather safe. So it saves our time, it saves our money, it saves our energy. So that's why we can say we use such types of social media. And how do you use them? So definitely, as far as technology is concerned,
Huh?
we have written so many essays. For example, when TV is invented, we have written the essays: TV, curse or boon. Whether it is curse or it is a boon. So it depends on us how we use that particular thing. So WhatsApp, Facebook, and Twitter, it definitely depends on us. How can we use? So I will request my dear
Yes.
students, use them very carefully, because nowadays there are so many students. In the last week, there is a news in our local newspaper. Some students of 9th and 10th standard, they were involved in sharing such a kind of things on Facebook, and they were arrested by the police. So definitely we have to use this social media very carefully. And I think students don't have to need to use social media mostly. So do you enjoy using them? Definitely I enjoy using this social media. are you addicted to social media? So this is very important question. Nowadays, there are so many people, not only people, but small children are also addicted to smart mobile phones and social media. They are always on social media, WhatsApp, YouTube channels, then Facebook. So don't be addict. So definitely the answer of this question for me, I am not addicted to social media. So there is a survey that in 24 hours, generally people are wasting, the word is wasting more than 2 hours out of 24 hours, more than 2 hours minimum in social media. And definitely it is very, very, very difficult to keep away from this social media. So don't be addict of to this social media. Now I have collected some advantages of this social media. The positive effects of social media are the ability to find needy children and families easier. There are many official websites and social groups you can join in your local community or in any other country across the world that promote donations and other essential activities that can make you proud of yourself. So definitely, if we use this social media, there are so many advantages of social media. Number one, build relationships. Now, only because of this social media, we are connected. Nilufar ma'am from Bangladesh and all of us from India. So definitely this is the advantage. And social media is not just about brand connecting with their customers. So share your expertise. So we can get expertise, advertise, expertise things from the social media. Then educate yourself with the help of social media. We can educate ourselves, increase our visibility, connect anytime. So we can connect to anybody at any time with the help of this social media. Increase brand recognition, improve brand loyalty, more opportunities to convert, higher conversion rates, higher brand authority, increase inbound traffic, decrease marketing costs, better search engine rankings. So these are some advantages. And these are 10 most important advantages of social media. Number one is connectivity. So with the help of this social media, we can connect with anybody in the whole world at any time. So connectivity is very important advantage of social media. Number two, education. Now in this pandemic situation, it is clear with the help of this social media, we are connected with education system, and education is possible with the help of this social media. Help. If anybody is wants help, then they can ask anybody in the world with the help of social media. Information and updates. So this is also the most powerful thing or advantage of social media. We can get information and we can update ourselves with the help of social media. Promotion. So so many promotions, film promotions and other promotions can possible with the help of social media. Noble cause. Social media can also be used for the noble causes. So with the help of social media, so many NGOs, non-government organizations, they can help poor and needy people and children with the help of this social media. Awareness. We can make people aware with the help of this social media. Helps government and agencies fight crime. So we can control crime with the help of this social media also. And improves business reputation. Social media helps the companies to improve their business reputation, helps in building communities. So today's most powerful thing we can say is social media. Now with with these advantages, there are also some disadvantages of this social media, and these 10 disadvantages of social media are cyberbullying. This is the very dangerous one. Cyberbullying, especially of girls and women and children. So cyberbullying is the very important disadvantages of social media. So we must be careful. If we want to avoid these disadvantages, we must be careful while using social media. Hacking, addiction, fraud and scams, security issues, reputation, cheating and relationship issues, health issues. Social media causes death. See, this is also one of the reasons. Disadvantages because of social media. There are some dates are some dates are also causes, and glamorize drugs and alcohol. So these are the 10 most important disadvantages of social media for the society. And if we want to avoid these disadvantages of social media, we must be very, very, very careful while using social media. The internet and social media has drastically changed the way all people over the world interact. See, whole world is changed because of this social media and network. And we can say the importance of social media in communication is a constant topic of discussion. And today, business rely on social media. Not only business, but so many department rely on social media. How powerfully we are able to use this social media, then it is the cause of our success. So these things we can do with the help of social media: prefer messages, wider reach, greater immediacy, fewer filters, and stories are fleeting. And the risk you need to be aware of: cyberbullying, invention of privacy, identity theft, and your child seeing offensive images and messages, the presence of strangers who may be there to groom other members. So these are some things we must be aware of if we want to remove the risk of social media. Top dangerous social media apps. So these are some top dangerous social media apps, and we must be very, very careful, especially students. See these apps: Periscope, House Party, Voxer, Hola, Tumblr, Visco, Bigo Live, and WeChat. So these are some dangerous social media apps, and definitely we must be careful while using these social apps. Which is the safest social network? So safest social network ranked and reason. These are the ranking 11 social apps, and number 1 is Signal. Have you heard this name? Signal app. Marathe sir, Nilufar ma'am, Sejal.
No, sir.
Yes,
I am
sir.
also very much surprised. I have not heard this and not used this app. So this is the safest, number 1 safest app. So while using, how can we use such types of safe apps? So we must think about that, because only we do WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, but they are not so safe. So this is the ranking I have collected from the internet. These are some safe and safest apps: Signal, Keybase, Telegram. See, Telegram is on number 3. So it is more safe than WhatsApp. And all the functions of WhatsApp are there in Telegram. But we don't use Telegram, we use WhatsApp. Mastodon, Snapchat, Steam Meet, Minds, Element, and WhatsApp is on number 9. Pinterest and LinkedIn. So these are the ranking of safe apps I have collected from internet. I also don't know. So definitely after this session, or we can use or try to use such types of safest apps. Simple tips to stay safe on any social network. So some tips how we can be safe on social media. Number one, if we think there is any danger, so delete account of that particular social media. We have to delete our app if we think that we are in danger. Second, avoid giving personal information. See, especially girls, not to share our personal information on social media, and also not to share our photos. Be careful. If there are some group photos, it's okay, but not to share some our personal information on social media. Then third one, decide if sign in using buttons are worth it. If we sign in, then we must sign out, because mostly we sign in and we don't sign out. So it is also a danger thing for us. Think before you post. Don't viral any post without knowing it, or don't viral such posts which are harmful to us or any other person. So be careful while posting. Then adjust privacy setting immediately. So we also don't know. When we download any app, we just allow. We don't read. So adjust privacy setting immediately. So we have to take information about that privacy system. Limit how many connections you make, and know who you are talking to. This is very important. Don't be friend, especially on Facebook, if that person is not familiar to us. I have more than 1,000 friendship requests remain, but I don't know them. I know them, but I just know their facing, and I don't know the details of those persons. So I don't allow them to be my friend. So this is very important. Know who you are talking to on social media. So thank you for listening me so carefully and so silently. Now,
Sir, actually you gave us some new information. Some information actually I don't know. You send this, and actually I'm grateful to you.
Very useful
ma'am.
information.
Yeah.
Yeah.
you are host, ma'am. Now you can share your thoughts and ideas.
Maratha sir, then I. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Maratha sir.
Marathe
Just
sir.
Maratha sir, you make us.
Yeah. Make me host. Make
Okay,
me host, sir.
Okay. You are host, sir.
Yeah.
You are host now. Okay.
Can you watching screen?
Yes, sir.
Nilofer ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Everybody welcome in session number 12, and everybody good evening and namaste, salam. and my dear students. Now we are discussing on session number 12. The name of the session is social media and gender quality. Just Mr. Bachav sir shared what is the power of social media and use and how and use of social media, and just we also see some logos of social media. It is, we have to say that powerful means, or social media is a very powerful means or tools for communication. I have to share some thoughts about social media. And for interaction, Zoom, WhatsApp, Google Meet, and these tools are so important for education or online education in corona pandemic. In information technology era, India is first in information technology in the world. This is very and very nice thing. According to India, in India, Pune and Bangalore, both cities are the center for information technology in India, and totally it is very nice thing for India that India is first in information technology. So we can also use WhatsApp. WhatsApp is the media of exchange thoughts, and Mr. Bachav sir also shared, and he also warned to students, to everybody, that we should handle very careful social media, because sometimes viral is like nuclear bomb. So these are main things. Now we are watching social media. What is social media apps do you use? What's your favorite app? Just Nilofer ma'am also share, I also share favorite app. How do you use them? We should handle very carefully. Do you use them? Yeah. Enjoying using them? Yes. Are you addicted to social media? Students, youngsters are very addicted to this app, to mobile. But Rajiv Gandhi say that you only use these tools when you have to use, particularly use, in that time you can use this. So we are use social media as for only useful thing. What are advantages? There are some lot of advantages and as well as disadvantages of social media. Point number 4, do you think that social media has changed the way that people communicate? Yes, very powerfully and meaningfully. Oh, social media change people communication. They come to close. Next point, point number 5. Are you concerned about your personal information being on internet? It is very careful point. So as per person, they can concern, or person can concern and care. Social media, we know there are some tools. At first, websites and applications that enable users to create and share content or to participate in social networking. Social media is a computer-based technology that facilitates the sharing of ideas, thoughts, and information through the building of viral network and communities. Point number, next point, social media with examples. Social networks, Facebook, LinkedIn. Second, bookmarking sites, Pinterest, Flipboard, Digs. Point number 3, media sharing, Pinterest, YouTube. Point number 4, social news, for example, Dig. Then point number 5, micro blogging. Blogging, some actors, some leaders also write down their thoughts on blogging. So blogging is also very running media, and Twitter, Facebook also. So they can write down. Point number 6, blog, comment, and forum. Next point, social review sites and community blogs. These are also important. What social media apps do you use? Let's start with the first set of slides. YouTube is a one of social media, means of social media. What is YouTube? In this app, I can see the videos, educational videos. It gives me opportunity to learn something, the most widely used video sharing platform. So YouTube is a video sharing platform and anybody can use this. I always use social media for educational purpose. I have created only own YouTube channel, and we know just Bangladesh, India, telecollaboration, many teachers of both countries share their thoughts, their PPTs on YouTube. I am not addicted to social media. I just use it purposefully. Purpose is very important to use. The next, WhatsApp. I can send text, share photos, videos, location, and make voice and video calls over the internet. It does not need any cost as long as Wi-Fi connection or mobile network. You can use WhatsApp by downloading the app on mobile. But when we use the tools, we have necessary to perfect and powerful network. Next means or tools is Google Drive. It helps in syncing and storing files. It includes a powerful mobile office suite, so you can create and edit files from your phone through Google Drive. Advantage and disadvantage of social media. Mr. Bachav sir as well shared his thoughts about advantages and disadvantages of media, and he also warned to students. What are advantages? First, it includes that it allows information to be dispersed quickly, and that is allows people to learn about cultures other than their own. This is first advantage. Share your expertise. Social media gives you an opportunity to talk about what you know and what you want to be known for. Point number 3, increase your visibility. And 4, educate yourself. These are the benefits and connect anytime. What are disadvantages? Lacks emotional connection. Emotional is important there and gives people a license to be hurtful. Many people misuse of some media and make someone too hurtful. So this is wrong. And next disadvantages is decreases face to face. So communication skills conveys. Next, inauthentic expression of feelings diminishes understanding and thoughtfulness. Number 6, causes face to face interaction to feel disconnected. And last, facilities laziness. Social media has changed the way that people communication. Yes, completely changed the people communication. How? Social media networks allows us the opportunity to share opinions with a far wider audience. Social media has created a way for people to constantly update and share content with their friends with little effort. There are 6 ways. Created a sense of urgency and need to share. Second, provided an inside perspective of far away places. Number 3, shared the full story instead of just highlights. Number 4, made digital messages more personal. Number 5, brought new back into a millennial life. And number 6, provided the ability to broadcast moment live. So these are important. And concern about personal information being on internet. We need to be carefully with how much personal information we reveal online. We can reveal online and display it, sharing our addresses, phone number, birthday, and other personal information can mean we are at a greater risk of identity, that's stalking and harassment. So in this way, these are very important part, this part first of this session, and we related to this part. So I like this part, very nice. Thank you everybody, thanks. Mr.
Thank
Bachav
you,
sir,
sir.
continue.
Thank you.
Continue. Yeah. Mr. Bachav sir.
Okay, make me host, sir.
Yeah.
Very nice presentation. And
Yeah,
you
thank you,
have
sir.
collected very different information
Yeah,
that I have collected. Definitely, it will
different.
increase our knowledge. And only 1 minute is remain. So it will be better to start your next session after 10 minutes.
Oh,
Uh,
okay.
so social media is very powerful thing nowadays, but
Yes.
we must be careful while using social media.
Yes.
And we also can't be away from social media, because definitely we have to use. Students also have to use, but their purpose must be good, and at the same time they have to use social media very, very, very carefully.
Careful.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Bachav sir, how many minutes are remain?
Only few seconds,
1
sir.
minute.
Only few seconds
Few
remain.
seconds.
It is better
After
after join after 10
Yeah,
minutes, and you will continue your session. Okay.
Yeah.
okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, you are host now. Share your screen.
Yes, sir. Yes, thank you. Actually, me not host. Oh, thank you. Now me host. Okay. Sir, Ganesh Basu sir is host now. Me not, sir.
Okay.
Sir, you are. Oh, okay, sir. Thank you. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Do you see my screen? Do you
Go
see
ahead.
my screen?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Welcome. Actually, today's session is so interactive for Bachav sir. Your presentation is really nice, and I know many things for your many new information for your PPTs. Okay, just show my teachers and then social media. Just these are social media. You already present this. Now I say social media that I use Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp. Actually, sir, it's main things before pandemic. Okay, I can't know this is social media and I don't use. Just I tip my button and take hello and just communicate my other people's, but no uses in social media. Okay, in pandemic, I just uses this. Okay. Now my favorite social media apps is Facebook. I I use it because it is too easy and to use than any other apps. It has also some awesome feature to use. How do you use the social media? Actually, I use social media for sharing my new experience, certificates, pictures, and others to the world, and sharing my some information also. I also use it for learning new things every day. Do you enjoy social media? Yes, I enjoy to use social media. Now I want to say the advantage of using Facebook actually. The real advantage of Facebook is that it's a real-time social networking site. This makes it one of the best sources to stay updated with the latest news and information. Major news usually goes viral on Facebook, and most brands use it to announce important things regarding their products and services. Disadvantage of using Facebook, loss of productivity. Facebook can be a serious threat to the productiveness of both students and employees. Malware and virus, identity theft, antisocial behavior, relationship problems, many of things. Does social media change the way of communicate? Yes. The internet and social media has distinctly changed the way people all over the world interact and communicate. Social media networks allow us the opportunity to share opinions with a far wider audience. Another big change that has occurred is that there is now no filter on the way we speak. Are you concerned about your personal information being on internet? No, I'm not concerned to have my personal information on internet, because by this many people can learn about me on internet. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Short and sweet
Budget.
information you have conveyed.
Yes.
Do you want to complete your second part?
Okay, no problem. Okay. Now I introduce my second part, our SDG number 5. Okay, just gender equality. It's the important SDGs of the 17th SDGs, gender equality. What is the objectives of this SDGs? To achieve this objective, World Vision Bangladesh Gender 6 to pursue, it calls an aspiration through 3 intervention strategies. One is decreasing the level of violence against women and nurturing its victims, reducing discrimination and ensuring equal access to services, and fostering equality in decision making. Current status in Bangladesh is gender equality. Bangladeshi women have struggling to establish their right in family, society, in the state. Practically, in the society and the implementation of law, women are still facing discrimination, exclusion, and injustice, and have negotiable influence in decision-making processes. Discriminatory laws and policies hinder from equality, and socio-political conditions prevent women from exercising their rights. Girls are often considered a burden, especially for poor households, where they are a risk of marriage, at an early age, and where the practice of dowries through illegal continues and it's burdensome. Women are usually the last to eat at mealtime, and 30% of women are chronically malnourished. Further, more violence against women makes women socially vulnerable and prevents them from fully participating in society. However, women's opportunities of public participation in Bangladesh have changed significantly in recent decades. For example, major progress has been made in closing the gender gap in school enrollments at both primary and secondary levels. Girls currently outnumber boys enrollments. Many women are now members of the local government councils that have important responsibilities for rural and urban development. The rapid growth of the garment industry has provided a large number of formal sector jobs for women, who comprise more than 90% of its labor force. They has significantly contributed to Bangladesh annual GDP growth rate more than 5% over the past decades. Political empowerment of women. Bangladeshi actual here, both just our Prime Minister and opposition leader and ex-Prime Minister, all are women, sir. Okay. Our Honorable Prime Minister, Government of the Republic of Bangladesh is woman. Speaker of the National Parliament is woman. She has been elected chairperson of the Executive Committee of the Commonwealth Parliamentary Association. Opposition leader, deputy leader of House, 5 members in the cabinet are women. Okay, 1 whip, 2 chairmen, and many members and the standing committee in the parliament are women. 20 women were elected in national parliament. Number of reserved seats for women in the national parliament is 50. Yeah.
Definitely, Bangladesh will be a developed country.
Yes. A total of 70 women are members of the national parliament. Okay. 1 of 2 elected vice chairman must be a woman at Upazila level, sir. Every Upazila, 2 elected vice chairman is woman. Must. It must be. 1/3 of the seats of Union Parishad, municipality and city corporation are kept reserved for women. This 1/3 post is reserved. It's women. Political parties must reserve at least 33% position of all committees for women as per law. It's law actually. A prominent female politician has been elected as a mayor of the Narayanganj City Corporation. To enhance the capacity of elected women representative at Upazila level, Women Development Forum has been formed. Women Development Forum has been formed to enhance the capacity of elected women respective at Upazila level. Economic empowerment of women in Bangladesh. Okay. Presently, 6 women are secretariat and 54 women are additional secretariats. In the Sunday, appellate division judge and district judges are women. Now, a number of ambassadors are women. Women are posted in the field level administration capacities as deputy commissioner and superintendent of police and Upazila Nirvahi officers. Many women are appointed in the armed forces, army, navy, and air force, police forces, and different cadre service. Vice Chancellor of Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology, BUET, and Jahangirnagar University and Pro-Vice Chancellor of Dhaka University are women. Now, going on. Human Rights Commission consists of a chairman, a regular member of 5 women honorary members. Information Commission consists of 3 members, of which 1 is woman. Okay. 10% quota of gazetted and 15% for non-gazetted posts are reserved for women. 60% women quota is reserved for primary school teachers. Okay. Primary school teachers, 60% is reserved post in primary school. Armed Police Battalion named APBN 11, formed consisting of 371 women personnel. 2 female police units, FPUS, are sent to the UN peacekeeping mission in Haiti and DR Congo. There are famous women in Bangladesh. This our Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister, Governor of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina. Shirin Sharmin Chaudhary, Speaker of Bangladesh Parliament, and Roshan Araishat, Opposition Leader of Deputy Leader of House of Bangladesh. Khaleda Zia, ex-Prime Minister and Government of Bangladesh. Bibi Russell, he is international model, okay, in Bangladesh. And Rani Hamid, this she's Queen of Bangladesh. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Madam, make me host.
One more powerful woman is with us in
Yes.
collaboration program.
Yes.
Nilofer ma'am,
Yeah.
the information
Yeah,
is
yeah,
very
yeah.
the information is very latest and very useful given by you about your country.
Yeah. Just
Very-
so gender equity here is going on gender equity. Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
but the information is very useful and latest information about your country.
Yeah.
I
Very
think
nice.
that before your session, I thought that the condition of girls and women may be not good in Bangladesh, maybe. But after this PPT
No.
presentation,
Hmm.
I think that the condition is very good. What do you think?
No, really, yeah, yes, sir. Actually, in rural area, just representative of public, just vice president must be 2 women. It's a great actually. Okay,
Make me
Girls
host,
and
ma'am.
women are very sincere.
thank you, sir.
In our, there are
Yeah.
3 girls, students are with us. Sejal, Preksha,
Yeah, yeah.
Nandini.
Yes,
They are very sincere and they are
yes, it's also
very
gender
good in
equity.
their work. As far as
Yeah,
study is concerned, work at home is concerned, in everything, every way, they are perfect. So, if in Bangladesh, women are leading, or the most influential leaders are women, definitely within few years, Bangladesh will definitely become a developed country. Definitely.
Yeah.
Okay, Marathi
yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Make me, ma'am, host.
Okay, you are host.
Yeah.
You are host, Marathi sir.
Yes, yes. What is problem?
Share screen.
Yes, yes, yes. There is something wrong. Everybody can you watching this screen?
Yes, sir.
Bachao sir,
Yes, sir.
Nilofer
sir.
ma'am,
Yeah,
thank
yeah,
you,
yeah.
thank you. Now just Miss Nilofer ma'am from Bangladesh shared very nice things about gender equality, and welcome in part 2. The part is very important, gender equality, and I would like to tell you that the first prime minister, lady prime minister is Miss Indira Gandhi, as well as uh, first president of India was Mrs. Pratibha Tai Patil. Both are ladies in our country. This is very nice thing. And now we are watching the same equality, the same balance of male as well as female. So there are no difference between male and female equality. They are equal. So equality. What are objects? First, objectives, and we will see targets, indicators, current status. What is the status figures of gender equality country, and what steps are being implemented by government of improve gender equality, and tell some local, national, and international organization names. So we are discussing about these points. 10 names of some schemes which are working to improve gender equality in our country. For example, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. This is, ma'am, this is a slogan of our school. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. And Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana.
Yeah.
This scheme is from central government of India, and Dhana Lakshmi schemes. Dhana Lakshmi schemes are also. But Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, this is a competitive scheme of every district, as though the female or the female child can easily enter in school. Co-education reservation in every sector for women. JDP, Panchayat Samiti, MLA, MP, job opportunities are there. What is definition of gender equality? Gender equality means fairness of treatment for men and women according to their respective needs. So this is the definition of gender equality. What are objectives of it? In which men and women enjoy the same opportunities, rights, and obligations in all spheres of life. So rights are very important according to same equalities. Everybody has right, as men as well as women, male as well as female, has same rights in country. Importance of gender equality. Now we are discussing about it. Importance. Everyone consider it to be equal and treated the same way. And as a result, people in the society will have the freedom to associate with others, share their knowledge, and get involved in activities that can have a positive impact on society. What is the targets of it? Gender equality achieved when women, men, girls, and boys have equal rights, conditions, and opportunities, and the power to shape their own lives and contribute to the development of society. What are the indicators of it? Statistic and indicators that reflect the realities of the lives of women and men are needed to describe women and men role in the society, such as percentages of women and men in parliament, male and female wage rates, or school enrollment rates for girls and boys. What is current status of social equality, gender equality? The Constitution grants equality to women, ensures equality before the law, and prohibits discrimination against any citizen's race, caste, or place of birth. It also allows personal laws, however, resulting in a dual system that allows forms of discrimination against girls and women. So, These are the status figure of gender equality of India, and the constitution grants equality to men in our country. Steps are being implemented by India's government to improve gender equality. So in India, there are some steps. The government seeks to promote equal rights, opportunities, and responsibilities for men and women. This means getting more women into work and marking it possibly for men and women to share work and care responsibilities more equality. So these are the steps. First step is talk to women and girls, stop child marriage and harassment. Now in India, sometimes it happens. What? Child marriage. So there is a prohibition in child marriage. Below below under below 18 years under, child marriage cannot done in India. Point number 3, make education gender sensitive. Point number 4, or step number 4, raise aspiration of girls and their parents. And it is a common point. Ma'am also shared step number 5, empower mothers. Point number 6, give proper value to women's works. And step number 7, get women into power. Point number 8, support to women for jobs. Tell some local, national, and international organization names which are working to improve gender equality. So we should know that which are local or national or international schemes for gender equality. So which are NGOs. So we should know the names of these some institutes, international organizations. These are the international organization. First, Committee to Change, New York, and online commit to change. Second are Coro from Mumbai. Third are Safety, India, US, and online. Number 4, Care from Delhi, Bihar, Karnataka, Kerala, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh. And number 5, Eyes, Chennai and Colorado, US. Some NGOs are also there. Seva. What is Seva? The self, S for self, E for employment, W for women's, and A for association. So the Self-Employment Women's Association was established in 1972 by Iya Bhatt in Gujarat. Second NGO is Snehalay. Snehalay was established in 1989 in Nagar. The NGO works for women and children and LGBT communities affected by poverty. Nilofer ma'am, I was also visited this Snehalay in Nagar, and so very nice work from this organization.
Yeah.
Nagar, Ahmednagar is a district, and in this district there is Snehalay, and very nice work from children. Number 3, North East Network. It is NANE, works on areas like security of women in conflict areas. Number 4, Azad Foundation, works for the poor women living in urban India who face any sort of abuse. The next organization, NGO, Kriya. C means Kriya, founded in 2000 in New Delhi, a feminist women right association. It is a part of International Women's Organization. And number 6, Center for Social Research, CSR, founded by a group of social scientists from CSR. So these are some NGOs like Vimochana, Swaniti, Makam, and Janodaya. These are some NGO organizations works in India for women. Tell some schemes which are working to improve gender equality in India. Just I see Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. It is one of the important. It is one of the uh, scheme in India which is conducted by central government for school. What is about scheme? Scheme was launched by the Prime Minister on 22nd January 2015 at Panipat. Panipat is a district in Haryana, Haryana state. So addresses the declining child ration CSR and related issues of women empowerment over a life cycle. The objective of the scheme is to address issue from declining child ratio, women empowerment, removal of gender equality to protecting a girl's child. The scheme also tries to ensure education of the girls child and her participation in the society. But I would also like to tell you, ma'am, that our district, Jalgaon district, is very top in this scheme, and the central government also awarded by awarded to our district collector about these schemes.
Oh, nice.
Second, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. It is very nice scheme. What is about scheme? Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana is the government backed saving scheme. Government save to the some money uh, on children's name or female for female in fixed deposit, and when they are growth, they are the age of marriage, in that time they got money. So it is very nice scheme by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to empower
Oh,
girls child. Open an
yeah,
account with
nice.
ICICI. It is
Mm,
international bank ICICI. It is a
mm,
part of the Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao and can be opened by the parent of a girl child below the age of 10.
yes. Yeah.
SSA has a tenure of 21st year. And when the girl child become of 21st, she got money. So this is very nice scheme from girls. And the third, Dhanalakshmi scheme, make women self-reliant and empowered. Empowered of women is very important. Major benefit 5 lakh rupees from these schemes. Next, co-education reservation in every sector where women can reservation in ZP means Jilla Parishad, PS means Panchayat Samiti, MLA, MP, Member of Parliament. So in this sector, job opportunities of the women by the women for the women. The Women Reservation Bill or the Constitution Bill 2008 is a pending bill in the Parliament of India. Reservation is primarily given to all three groups. Which are three groups? SC, scheduled caste, ST, scheduled tribes, and OBC. So 15% for the category SC and 75% category for ST and 27 categories for OBC. Originally, reservation was only given to SCs and STs, but was later extended to OBCs. OBC means other backward class. In 1987, after the implementation of the Mandal Commission report, and in India, this Mandal Commission report was very renewed and was discussed in that time when it was established. In that time, there was the Prime Minister VP Singh, Vishwanath Pratap Singh was Prime Minister, and in this duration, Honorable Prime Minister, in his duration, it was established Mandal Ayog. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Bachao sir.
Thank you, sir. Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao.
Beti padhao, beti
It's a
bachao.
good slogan, sir.
Yeah.
Now, yes,
In a,
good slogan, sir.
every district works and every school, this scheme is arranged and there is some competition, essay competition. The teacher, the students also participate in these schemes, and it is organized by Narendra Modi, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
So nice. Sir. So nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice information collection, Marathi sir.
Yeah.
And really, you have collected the information about gender equality.
Yeah.
It is a very great issue as far as gender equality is concerned, because if 50% or less or more than 50% women or girls, if they are not given equal rights, equal opportunities, then the progress is not possible. So definitely, and I think, my personal opinion, girls and women can do better things than
Better.
male or female.
Yes.
Definitely, they work very sincerely, more than men or male persons. So if we want
their
to,
role is their role in household, in job are very important.
yes, everywhere they work
Yes,
very
yes,
sincerely, and definitely I am very happy if with Nilufar ma'am's PPTs, that in Bangladesh, women and girls are giving opportunities to progress. So it's very
Yes.
good sign. And in
Every sector.
India also, we are giving or trying our level best to give equal opportunities to our girls and women. And the example is in front of you, that out of 5 students, there are 3 girls students with
These
me.
three girls are.
Yes, and they are very sincere. They
We
are
are
very
also
sincere.
maintain our gender equality. We maintain this session is gender equality.
Yes,
Female are all time in
yes.
going again.
Now only a few minutes, few seconds left. So it will be better to rejoin after
Sir,
10 minutes.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, sir, 10 minutes. It's I think just wait, not 10 minutes, just few seconds, 2 minutes, 5 minutes.
And
after
continue.
5 minutes.
After few minutes.
And continue. And continue.
After 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you continue. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
But after when our meeting finish, it takes time to download our recording. 4 or 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. We will join after
Okay,
5 or 6 minutes. When it completes, I will join. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So Nilufar ma'am and Gajanan Marathi sir has they have explained very much about the equality, about equality of men and women. So I would like to start the session with the link of a video is given to us. So I will request everybody to watch this video.
Sir, how many?
Okay, are you watching?
Session you make YouTube?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. How many session you make YouTube? YouTube. How many session? I just 2 session I saw.
Yes,
YouTube.
yes.
You can't hear me?
Yes, ma'am. I have converted only 2 sessions.
2 sessions. Yeah.
Only 2. Yes. Now I am working on that, and definitely in 2 or 3 days, I will upload other sessions.
Okay, sir. Actually, you make a poster. Our 3 students and we are 3 partners. Okay, you make a poster.
Yeah. So
with logo.
With
Yes.
logo. Logo and
I request everybody in our group, post your photographs with full name.
Yeah.
I will prepare and I will share it in every session. In YouTube, while uploading, I will prepare that poster. All the 5 students and our 3 teachers,
participants. Yeah.
all the participants.
And
send me
and
your
logo of countries.
Okay, send me your photographs and full name.
Yeah.
Okay, in our group.
Yes.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yes.
Definitely.
Yes, with logo.
Yes.
Eco Center and
Yes.
17
Yes.
And
Okay,
below
sir.
school's name, name of school, sir. Below name of school.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
What's sir?
Yes. With
Name
your
of
photo,
school also there.
give your details with your photo.
Yeah.
Then I will
Name
make
and school
make
name of
poster.
school. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Continue.
Okay. Let's watch this video. We will begin our session with this video. कितने? Is it audible?
Yes. Audible.
Yes, audible.
Screen is there on.
Are you not listening, ma'am?
Yeah.
Audio is there.
Yes,
Are you
Just,
listening?
I
audio
listen
and
of
video?
ma'am's voice.
No audio, not listening.
Are you
Just
not
the
listening the
picture.
voice?
But not listening anything.
We are listening each other's voice.
Not
No,
video's
no,
voice.
sir.
No.
No.
Just a minute. Okay. Okay, now is it audible?
Yes.
Thank you.
मित्रों,
Yes, now listen.
अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस हर वर्ष 8 मार्च को मनाया जाता है। विश्व के विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में महिलाओं के प्रति सम्मान, प्रशंसा और प्यार प्रकट करते हुए इस दिन को महिलाओं के आर्थिक, राजनीतिक और सामाजिक उपलब्धियों के उपलक्ष्य में उत्सव के तौर पर मनाया जाता है। भारतीय उपासना में स्त्री तत्व की प्रधानता पुरुष से अधिक मानी गई है। नारी शक्ति चेतना का प्रतीक है, साथ ही यह प्रकृति की प्रमुख सहचरी भी है, जो जड़ स्वरूप पुरुष को अपनी चेतना प्रकृति से आकृष्ट कर शिव और शक्ति का मिलन कराती है, साथ ही संसार की सार्थकता सिद्ध करती है। महिला वो शक्ति है, सशक्त है, वो भारत की नारी है, न ज़्यादा में न कम में, वो सब में बराबर की अधिकारी है। चाहे शिक्षा हो या व्यावसायिक ज्ञान, चाहे खेल हो या अंतरिक्ष विज्ञान, हमारे देश की महिलाएं किसी भी क्षेत्र में पीछे नहीं है। वह कदम से कदम मिलाकर आगे बढ़ रही है और अपनी उपलब्धियों से देश का नाम रोशन कर रही है। ऐसे ही शिक्षा के कार्य में गुणवत्ता की नींव रखने वाली हमारी भारत की बेटियों को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस पर हमारा नम्र अभिवादन। तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है, तू चल तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है।
Some important women in Indian.
हो सदके मैं जावा मेरी दिल जानिया, मैं शीश झुकावा मेरी दिल जानिया, तेरे नाम जो कर जावा कम है वो। तू सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी है, सारे जहां पे भारी मेरे भारत की बेटी, दिल जान है शान हमारी मेरे भारत की बेटी, जीती रहो जीतती रहो। जो तेरे नैनों से टपके हर आंसू है अपना, जो तेरे होठों पे ठहरे वो गीत अब अपना, जो सीना तान के तू चल दे उठता है सर अपना, जा जी ले अपनी जिंदड़ी, सर पर हाथ है अपना, तेरा जो भी है सपना अब जिम्मा है अपना, सपने सच करने की तेरी बारी। ओ, तू सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी है, सारे जहां पे भारी मेरे भारत की बेटी, दिल जान है शान हमारी मेरे भारत की बेटी, जीती रहो जीतती रहो।
शान है शान हमारी मेरे भारत की बेटी, जीती रहो जीतती रहो। तू सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी, तू सारे जहां से।
These are pictures from Salma Diba, innovative teacher, Bangladesh. Aisha Siddiqui, innovative teacher from Bangladesh. So they are also included.
सारे जहां पे भारत मेरे भारत की बेटी, दिल जान है शान हमारी मेरे भारत की बेटी, जीती रहो जीतती रहो।
Getting those students and keeping them engaged, helping students
Yes,
connect with one
Mamta's
another.
Roxana, my
सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी है, सारे जहां पे भारी मेरे भारत की
Phrase or
बेटी।
lesson, coming back to connect with peers.
Very nice
Is
PPT.
about that. One of them is
Yeah,
create a discussion board
excellent.
if you don't have one. So
Yeah.
discussion boards use
excellent.
So these are some influential women, and this is the latest video. Now these women are working in the various fields from India and Bangladesh. They are facing so many problems, but they are working, and they are working better than men in every field. And I know most of these women. I have personally visited so many women out of these women. So definitely, this is the very great topic, gender equality, and we must try our level best to give gender equality. So, SDG number 5, that is gender equality, and their objectives and targets and indicators, we are already discussed by Nilufar ma'am and Marathi sir. So after watching this video, there is less for me, and after your session of both Marathi sir and Nilufar ma'am, so I will say very briefly, but it is very important that we must think about gender equality. So gender equality is not only fundamental human right, but a necessary foundation for a peaceful and prosperous and sustainable world. It is the need of the world, need of the time. Everybody must be given opportunity, equal opportunity, though it may be male or female. So this is very important one. And there are so many challenges we face practically when we work. So it is very difficult to give equal opportunity to both men and women. What are the objectives of gender equality? It is discussed very well. The overall objectives of gender equality is a society in which women and men enjoy the same opportunity. So this is very important. Men and women should be given equal opportunities, rights, obligations in all spheres of life. That is gender equality. Now some targets, indicators, and progress of SDG 5.1, that is end discrimination against women and girls. So this is very important one. End all violence against and exploitation of women and girls. So we must try our level best to end violence against girls and women, exploitation of girls and women. Eliminate forced marriages and genital mutilation. So it is also very important. Women also given, girls are also given right for their own marriage and genital mutilation. So value unpaid care and promote shared domestic responsibilities. This is the fourth very important one indicator. Ensure full participation in leadership and decision making. Man, this is very important. Only making them leaders or working women in any field, but they must given, practically they must given some rights to take decision. They must not be showpiece, that they are sitting on the chair and other persons are taking decisions. So practically they must be given opportunity for decision making. Universal access to reproductive rights and health. Equal rights to economic resources, property ownership, and financial service. So in home also, equal rights to economic resources, property ownership, and financial services. So in India, there are so many schemes. If we are buying property on the names of female. So such types of schemes are going on for equal right. Promote empowerment of women through technology. So women should be empowered with the help of technology and adopt and strengthen policies and enforceable legislation for gender equality. So these are some important targets, indicators, and progress we can say. And there are so many challenges when we try to work on these indicators or targets. So we have to face so many targets. So there are some organizations, several global organizations, they are working for women. And already Bharate sir has explained that which organization and NGOs are working in India and all over the world, So definitely we must try, everyone must try that women should given equal opportunities. And the last picture I would like to share with you.
Sir, there is a picture of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao.
Yes.
Yeah, show it enlarge to madam. Nilofer ma'am.
See,
Yes.
this is the logo map, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. And definitely in India, we are trying that every girl child must learn at least up to standard 10 or 12th. And if education is given to them, definitely they will be aware of all these facts. So today we have a nice discussion on social media and about gender equality. There is much more to share about this, but practically everybody who is participating in this meeting must try that there must be every girl and women given equal opportunity in every field. Then we can say that our conducting this meeting will be a fruitful one. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.